You spend 5 hours editing a video, upload it, and it gets 47 views. Not because your content is bad, but because no one clicked it. YouTube thumbnail is something which does not mean the content itself. If it does not stop the scroll, your video is never visible. And in 2026, if you are not using AI for the thumbnails, you are already behind. Today, in this video, I will decode how you can use AI to make thumbnail designs and also earn from the thumbnail designs as well. Now, let me break down the psychology of thumbnails. As we move on, we will learn what is thumbnail designing, what are the components in it, and how you can actually practice and make a portfolio. Starting with the number one is learn what is the psychology of colors. Psychology of colors represents what the color stands for. In thumbnail, colors play a vital role. For example, red, yellow, blue, they are the very bright colors which will give different meanings. Red, like for urgency, danger, and excitement, while yellow stands for something curious and attentive. Blue represents trust and it is well suited for tech and education brands, while green stands for something as growth, as we all know, and finance for it is very good for the finance niches, and black represents the power it holds. So, in that case, these color psychologies help to make a proper thumbnail. In this case, we will also learn the golden rule of high contrast is equals to more visibility. Use 2 to 3 high contrast and it will get more visibility. So the background color of the thumbnail should not blend with the text. Move on to the next important thing is to observe what others are making. Observe the contents of the thumbnail of other content creators and find out what good they are doing. Next important thing is to practice. Use Canva, use Gemini and ChatGPT. This combination always work together. And in this video, I'll also share most important thing of the video, which is CTR. CTR formula is number of clicks divided by number of impressions into 100. For example, if 1000 people saw the thumbnail and 80 clicked to it, the CTR will be 8%. On an average, 3 to 4% is the average CTR. And if we talk about the viral thumbnail, which is having the CTR as above 10%. So now we will move on to how to actually earn as a thumbnail designer. As you can see, a designer hiring will be done in the following manner. They need a high CTR thumbnails. So you should make sure that whatever the formula I have mentioned, number of clicks divided by number of impression into 100, that should be on your tip of your tongue. And make sure that you make the high CTR YouTube thumbnails, which stand across different niches. So apart from color psychology, there are other elements of thumbnail like curiosity, emotion, framing of text and versus no text. You should able to work together with the video editors as well. Content leads and scriptwriters share thumbnail strategy insights from competitors, trends, and top creators. Maintain visual consistency and brand style. Produce multiple thumbnail variants to perform the test performance. Stay updated on YouTube trends and creators and also the click behavior. If you are a beginner, I would suggest you to use Canva, ChatGPT, and also Google Gemini. That will be enough for the learning experience at the first level. After advancing, you can always use the power of knowledge of Adobe Illustrator. Previous YouTube channel experience using AI design tools such as Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, or similar to enhance or generate visual assets. Ability to integrate AI assets into thumbnails without compromising brand consistency. The job location was on-site Bangalore and CTC was 7 to 10 LPA. That was a huge amount of money coming in as a thumbnail designer. So if you're a beginner and wants to pursue a career in thumbnail designing or you're just starting out, do try this field and also get ahead in the field of AI. If you like the video, comment down and also let me know what else you want to see. Thank you for watching this video and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.